I'm Dr. Deepak Chopra, and for those of you who know me, I've always believed that there are creative solutions to all problems, that in every adversity there's the seed of a greater opportunity. And as Einstein once said, and I'm paraphrasing here, that no problem can be solved at the level of consciousness at which it was created. So when my friend Kerry Breitbart, who's the CEO and founder of North American Park, called me, and I first met him 21 years ago, and it was good to hear from him, and said to me that he had a simple plan to help reverse climate change, to increase the personal economic well-being of people, to affect employment and change it in a way that would bring back the economy, and to help create basically a sustainable world. I wasn't surprised. It's what I wanted to hear. Here is a plan which helps you save the environment, which helps you improve your personal well-being, including your economic well-being, which helps you share this with others that you care about, your friends and family, so that they can also participate in it, which helps you donate to a worthy cause. What more could you want? I'm personally going to very enthusiastically participate in helping Kerry's vision so that we can ultimately be energy independent and move in the direction of a critical mass of consciousness in the world that wants a sustainable, healthy, happy world. It's within our power now, and all we need is a critical mass of people that reaches the tipping point with this intention. Help yourself, help the planet, help your friends.